whatever amount of spectrum is made available will always be a constraint. So that would be a constraint, particularly in case of data. Because with the advent of video, you can imagine how much data grows. It's a complete geometric progression.
Sir, my one question is regarding the trading and sharing rules that will come out very soon. How big a boost will that be for the industry?
You know, this is clear. This industry needs tons of capex, tons of capital to be deployed. I think it's imperative that this industry is financially healthy. And financial health would come from somewhat a consolidation of the industry. So spectrum sharing, M&A policies, each one of these will pave way for that consolidation. The key thing is this industry will have to be financially healthy, because if it is not, no amount of help from the government will provide it finances.
Right.
The finances will come if it is financially healthy.
Help us understand what is the roadmap for 4G. You have already launched in about 16 odd cities. What's the roadmap for 4G going forward?
Look, the roadmap on these matters is actually very simple. We had 2G. We are now in 2G or over, I think we cover more than 90% population. 3G will have to cover that in the next few years. 4G will have to cover it after that in the next few years. So I think the roadmap for the entire industry is pretty clear. 4G ecosystem will take time to develop. Therefore, it will start with cities, less like 2G did, and then expand in the rest of the country. But the immediate big ticket item is 3G, which if we want, as I said, internet to be brought to the masses, we will have to spread 3G to every nook and corner.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.